Today, I'll show you how to add friends on FC25. So ensure that you have installed the EA app on your computer and it's running. Then, when you launch the game, press the R2 button on your controller, and this will take you to the EA Connect app. So from here, go to the player search option, and then use the search bar to search for your friend. So let's say Haaland. Then select search. And from here, you'll see a list of friends that will appear, a list of players rather, will appear. So choose the one that you desire. For instance, let's send a request to this person, Kinderjoy. So select add friends, and you have sent a friend request to that particular person. So whenever they accept the request, you can now see them under your friends list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.